Hey guys, this is Dimitri with creditrepair.co.net. I want to give you an overview of another file before and after. So this file came in around January. He was loaded with a lot of collections, and the FICO score on Credit Karma was 636. So 21 accounts and 12 collections. So let's take a look what we have in March 9th, let's say. So he has one collection as of March 9th, and the score went up to 677, and that is on TransUnion. So let's take a look at his Equifax as well. So actually I've seen the score around 713, so which is pretty awesome. So let's take a look at okay, that's TransUnion as of today, 686, and as you can see, it was at 721 at one point, but he just got a brand new collection reported again. So once your credit cleaned up, guys, keep it clean, you know. So let's take a look at Equifax. The same thing, as you can see, the score went from 630 all the way to 717. Also about 15 collections were dropped on Equifax since January, as you can see. Anyway, so the score just took a plunge for 36 points on Equifax and TransUnion because of another brand new collection got reported. But anyways, guys, so that's what we're striving for as of March 19th. 721, not too bad for a person that never seen his score this high. So he told me, he said, Dimitri, I haven't seen my score like this in 10 plus years. So if you guys have any questions how to boost your credit score or what to do, time frames and prices, give us a call. All right, so you can see the phone number in the link, or you know, we have multiple ways to contact us. Just reply. Thank you. Bye.